Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best bathroom shower faucets in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1, Delta Faucet Lahar 3538 CZM pudsd. When it comes to bathroom faucets, you want a product that offers a modern style while also providing reliability. You never get it wrong with the Delta product. The Delta Lahar faucet provides a mix of style and functionality with unique and innovative features. It requires a 3-hole mount installation and can work with any size ranging from 4 to 16 inches. The spout measures close to 6 inches, which provides ample space under the faucet to make it easier to wash your hands. The faucet also features 2 handles that make it convenient to control the flow and water temperature. The faucet is designed to prevent leaks using a patented diamond seal technology that stands out. This unique technology uses a diamond valve that works without lubrication and is meant to minimize leaks caused by any wear on seals. It's an innovative feature that will ensure that the faucet performs like new for life. Delta makes it easy to install the faucet using a pop-up to complete its assembly. Another reason why you should install this faucet is that it's WaterSense labeled. This means it consumes 20% less water than other models, meaning you will end up saving a few bucks without reducing its performance. Apart from lowering bills, it is also environmental friendly. At number 2, Delta Faucet Lahar Single Handle Faucet. Remodelers and plumbers alike recommend this excellent faucet by Delta. With a brilliant finish, the Delta Faucet 538 RBM pudsd blends with the modern fluid design that brings elegance to any bathroom space. It won't corrode, tarnish or discolor and can withstand all the scouring rigors of steel wool. The Delta Lahar single-handle faucet also uses ceramic disc valves with a diamond coating to ensure durability and trouble-free performance for years. What's more, Delta used the all-brass frame that's durable and complies with low lead standards to keep household water safe for your health. Regarding installation, this faucet employs the same plumbing standards using 3-hole with 4 configurations, so mounting it should be a breeze. The assembly design features a standard 3-hole position for added convenience. There is also a detailed manual for those who can do a DIY installation. Despite its simple, sleek design, this faucet is eye-catching with straight lines that should blend beautifully with any design you have in mind. It looks great on most sinks, whether modern or traditional. The faucet can help you save on water bills because it uses 20% less water than other models, without affecting its efficiency. At number 3, Delta Faucet Lahar Center Set Bathroom Faucet. Looking for a center set that offers durability and improved performance without affecting its aesthetics? The Delta 2538 pudsd ticks all the right boxes of the best bathroom faucets 2021. The flagship feature of this faucet is the diamond seal technology, which comprises a valve embedded in diamonds. This ensures no leaks and improves its appearance. Technical prowess aside, this faucet from Delta ranks highly on our list when it comes to style. The handles look beautiful, and the spout itself has been designed to look appealing in any bathroom. All 3 pieces of the center set appear as one solid block that has a superior soft pattern that mimics the rolling ocean waves. The chrome finish also adds to its exclusive appeal, making it great for contemporary and modern decor. The Delta 2538 pudsd is a dual-handle faucet with a center set construction, which means that the sprout and handle have been set to a shared plate. The faucet is ADA certified and comes with a WaterSense logo to show it's very water conscious. It has a flow rate of 1.2 GPM, which enables it to use 20% less water than other models without interfering with its performance. What's more, it's easy to install this faucet using the triple hole system installation. The holes are 4 inches apart, and you get an instruction manual and all accessories you need to set it up. Delta provides a limited lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured of excellent performance for years to come. At number 4, Delta Mender Widespread Bathroom Faucet. Delta is a big name when it comes to the production of bathroom faucets. Another of their best bathroom shower faucets for hard water is the Delta Mender faucet. Starting from design to functionality, this faucet scores high, making it a great product for those looking to improve their bathrooms. Its polished design is brilliant and will complement any bathroom. The faucet features 2 handles for convenient adjustment of water temperature and volume. This gives you full control of water flow to your desired level. Delta Mender delivers up to 1.2 gallons per minute. Besides, It has the water sense criterion label for conserving water without necessarily sacrificing performance. It features the triple hole system of installation, which is quite easy to install. The faucet also includes the matching finish ring assembly to make your work easier. Delta also provides users with an instruction manual in case you want to do the installation yourself. The faucet is relatively durable and has been beautifully designed too. Considering its price, it's a real steal because of its integrated features and utility. Customer reviews also show satisfaction from users, so you might want to give it a try. At number 5, Moen 6610 ORB Brantford Bathroom Faucet. For homeowners looking for a traditional design in a bathroom faucet, the Moen 6610 ORB is eye-catching and will complement your bathroom with its classic look. You can agree when the manufacturer says that its architectural features transcend time. But what makes it excellent besides looks? This faucet offers twin lever handlers to control water volume and temperature conveniently. This feature makes Moen Brantford Faucet convenient to use for many different functions. Despite the simple design, it's built to last, featuring highly durable metal that will serve you for a long time without needing a replacement. Better yet, the construction material has an O-rub bronze finish that provides the antique warm gray metallic look. This faucet, just like with other faucets from Moen, meets the water sense criterion with a steady rated stream of 1.2 GPM. This makes it ideal for everyday tasks, such as hand washing. Best of all, it's ridiculously easy to install thanks to its sleek design and a 4-inch center set design. The faucet is built to last, and if you find yourself with any manufacturing-related issues, Moen will be happy to change it for you. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.